Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. So today I'm going to show you my easy way, or maybe lazy man's method we could call it, way of seasoning a cast iron skillet. Now for those of you who have seen my videos, I actually have another video that I'll put a link in the description, and it's a more detailed process of how to season your cast iron skillet, and I actually recommend that way. However, this way will actually work too. It's pretty easy, and all you do is just take a pound of bacon, you're going to turn it on medium heat and then just let it cook. As you can see, our bacon is cooking nicely, and check this out. See all that bacon grease in there? That is searing into the pan, giving it a really nice coating and seasoning it very nice. So doing it this way, you have two advantages. One, your seasoning pan, and two, you've got bacon. I mean, come on, who could go wrong with bacon? Alright, as always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.